An AC Delco GM original equipment audio amplifier is part of the audio system, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The purpose of the amplifier is to increase the power of a voltage or current signal. The output signal of an audio amplifier may consist of the same frequencies as the input signal, or it may consist of only a portion of the frequencies, as in the case of a subwoofer or mid-range speaker. The audio amplifier amplifies the signal and sends it to the appropriate speakers. Each of the audio output channel circuits, plus and at the audio amplifier, have a DC bias voltage that is approximately 1/2 of the battery voltage. The audio being played on the system is produced by a varying AC voltage that is centered around the DC bias voltage on the same circuit. The AC voltage is what causes the speaker cone to move and produce sound. Both the DC bias voltage and the AC voltage signals are needed for the audio system to properly produce sound. These original equipment audio amplifiers have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this amp, then hire someone to replace it. This item was purchased because there was no sound coming from any of my speakers, including the signal light blinker noise and door ding noise in my 2008 GMC Acadia SLT2. I was able to determine that the problem was the amp by plugging in headphones to the rear headphones jack and turning up the radio. I was able to hear the radio and adjust the volume from the rear controls. Therefore, it had to be the amp. I have larger hands with chubby sausage fingers and 70-year-old flexibility, so getting the old amp out and installing the new one was a total nightmare. The amp is located way up under the dash on the driver's side above or in front of the emergency brake bracket. After removing the plastic piece covering all your under-dash vital components, you will see what I mean. It's mounted to a vertical brace perpendicular to the firewall with literally zero room to fit a normal adult-sized hand, wrist or arm up in there to operate a wrench or ratchet. I tried and no less than 4 knuckles were bleeding after the first screw. I found then an odd combination of 1/4 drive socket, ratchet extensions and U-joints were needed to reach all the screws. Removing the front screw was easy, but the rear screws were horrible. When you get back there, you'll understand. It's hard to describe.